In the world of project management, clarity is king. One of the most fundamental principles for ensuring a project progresses smoothly is clearly defining who is responsible for what. Without clear assignments, tasks can fall through the cracks, deadlines can be missed, and team members can become confused about their roles. This is where the ability to assign tasks effectively within your project management tool becomes crucial. If you're using Basecamp, a popular project management and collaboration tool known for its simplicity and focus on communication, understanding how to assign tasks is a foundational skill. As a project management expert, I can tell you that Basecamp makes assigning tasks straightforward, but its simplicity also encourages a specific approach to accountability that differs slightly from more complex tools. Let's delve into how to assign in Basecamp, ensuring your projects stay on track and your team knows exactly what's expected of them. Basecamp's approach to assignments, to-dos, and accountability. In Basecamp, the primary place where you assign work is within a to-do list. Unlike some other tools that might have tasks that live independently, in Basecamp, tasks are organized within lists, reflecting a common-sense approach to breaking down work. This structure helps ensure that every piece of work belongs to a larger category or phase of a project. The core principle in Basecamp is that every to-do should have one and only one person assigned to it. This singular assignment is a deliberate design choice by Basecamp's creators. Their philosophy is that when multiple people are assigned to a single to-do, accountability can become diffused. If everyone is responsible, then often no one is. By assigning just one person, Basecamp forces clarity. This is your task, and you are accountable for its completion. Of course, this doesn't mean that multiple people can't collaborate on a task. They absolutely can. It just means one person holds the ultimate responsibility for ensuring it gets done, perhaps by coordinating with others. Step by step, assigning a to-do in Basecamp. Let's walk through the simple process of assigning a to-do in Basecamp. Navigate to your project. First, open the specific project within Basecamp where you want to assign a task. Go to the To-Dos section. Within your project, locate and click on the To-Dos tool. This is where all your actionable items are organized. Create or select a to-do list. To-Dos live within to-do lists. You can either create a new to-do list, click the New To-Do List button. Give it a clear, descriptive name, e.g., website design phase, marketing campaign launch, client onboarding. Select an existing to-do list. If you already have a relevant list, click on its title to open it. Add a new to-do or select an existing one. To add a new one, in the selected to-do list, you'll see an input field labeled Add a To-Do. Type a clear, concise description of the task here, e.g., draft homepage copy, review Q2 financial report, develop social media graphics. To select an existing one, if the to-do already exists, simply click on its title to open its detail view. Assign the to-do. This is the critical step. When adding a new to-do, after typing the to-do name, you'll usually see an assign option or an avatar icon, often a gray silhouette, next to it. Click on this. A drop-down or pop-up will appear showing a list of people in your Basecamp project. Select the person you want to assign the to-do to. For an existing to-do, open the to-do's detail view by clicking on its title. On the right-hand side or sometimes within the main content area, depending on your Basecamp version and screen size, you'll see the Assignee section. Click on Assign Someone or click on the current assignee's name/avatar to change it. Select the desired team member from the list. Add a due date, optional but recommended while assigning sets accountability for who. A due date sets accountability for when. Next to the assignee, you'll typically see an option to set a due date or a calendar icon. Click this to select a specific date for the to-do's completion. This is crucial for managing timelines and ensuring tasks align with project schedules. Add details. Optional but recommended. A simple title isn't always enough. Within the to-do's detail view, you can add a detailed description. Use the text editor to provide context, instructions, requirements, and any necessary background information. Attach files. Upload relevant documents, images, or links that the assignee needs to complete the task. Leave comments. Use the comments section to ask questions, provide updates, or collaborate on the task. This is where real-time or near real-time discussion about the to-do takes place. The impact of clear assignments. From a project management standpoint, the simplicity of Basecamp's assignment feature is its strength. It encourages several best practices. Singular accountability. By only allowing one assignee, Basecamp enforces clear ownership. This reduces ambiguity and encourages the assigned individual to take full responsibility. If a task requires input from multiple people, the assignee becomes the orchestrator, responsible for gathering that input. Reduced overwhelm. When every task has a clear owner, individuals can focus on their assigned responsibilities without feeling overwhelmed by a general sense of shared burden. Improved transparency. Everyone on the project team can see who is working on what. This transparency helps identify potential bottlenecks, understand workloads, and allows team members to offer support or follow up effectively. Enhanced reporting. While Basecamp isn't a complex reporting tool, the clear assignment feature allows you to quickly see what's assigned to whom, what's overdue, and what's completed. This quick visual status check is invaluable for daily project oversight. Empowered team members. When individuals are clearly assigned tasks, it empowers them to take ownership and pride in their work. They know exactly what's on their plate and what they need to deliver,